pick this up. That's how I knew it was something. But big piece of a blade, or definitely got some work on it. It's a preform. Got broken. I don't think I've ever seen a map turtle that big. Looks like I got something. Sure looks like a base. I don't know if it's a scraper. It's a whole one. Very cool. Let's get it washed off. All right. Mostly uniface on this side, or not chipped up. This is definitely a scraper. Not a bad one. Let's see what it looks like. Come on, behold. Hey. That's cool.
That's nice.
Yeah.
It's real nice.
I'll take that all day.
Oh yeah.
Cool. Me and my brother-in-law have been finding these rocks in an area about 20 feet wide on a river. We have no idea what they are. But then looking at hundreds and thousands of rocks, none of them look like these. They're super polished and they all seem to have a flat spot on them. If anyone could tell me what they are, leave in the comments. I would greatly appreciate it. You can see they're super polished. And they are in an area where we have found Native American artifacts. I don't know if they're like gastric stones from like a mastodon or what. Alright, let me know. Thanks.